2013 Nissan Altima. This is the 4-cylinder automatic. Having some issues with the AC. So this is the vehicle Riker uses. It is, the AC sometimes will work, sometimes it won't. And we have figured out that is the plug between the compressor and the main harness. Because sometimes we have to wiggle it. And we did put a compressor on this about 2 years ago. And so sometimes when you wiggle that, the clutch will engage, and sometimes it won't. All right, we have 225,000 miles, and it is screaming for an oil and filter change. The air is off. Let's turn it on and see if we can hear the compressor kick on. Not sure that it kicked on. Actually, I have to walk out there and see. But let's go ahead and get this thing on max AC. Not feeling any cold air, but that doesn't mean the compressor isn't on. Let's pull it up in the garage. All right, so it's a pretty good running engine, especially for the amount of miles. Anyway, it looks like the compressor is not spinning. All right, so this wire here is the trigger for the clutch. You can see the compressor down there at the bottom. If you follow that wire, there is a plug right there. That is not going to be pleasant to get to, but I think that there is a short in that plug. So here at the compressor, reaching from underneath in the fender well, you can see this car doesn't have a liner. That is not by choice. Normally they have to wiggle this here to get it to engage. I may butt splice this together. I'm going to take a look at the plugs. Maybe the pins need to be squeezed. I mean, they're very tiny. I'll have to deal with that off camera. I'll let you know what I find. I'm going to try to pop this out. Don't know that I can and give you a view, but that's wire marking. There's a zip tie. Hold it together. I gave the pins on the plug on the compressor side, just bent them a little. So maybe they would contact the other side of the plug better. So it seems that we have cool air. So maybe the compressor was cycling on and off because of that plug. And when he checked it, he saw that it was spinning, but there was no cool air inside. So what I'm going to do is go with, that was the issue. I'm going to probably run a zip tie around that plug. So that way it will not try to jiggle apart. Hopefully bending the little pins gave it enough ability to hold together. So this is a shorter video than I expected to make. I expected to have to go into the dash and pull out the stepper motor and see that the stepper motor may have been bad. Maybe the bore was cracked, kind of like on the newer Nissans. And if I would have done that, it's actually back in here. So you'd have to pull out the glove box, and then there is a blend door stepper motor in there. But I went through the dial, went from cold to hot. It performed fine. So the stepper motor is working, the blend door is working, and so that doesn't seem to be an issue right now. And I do not want to go and dive into something that isn't broken, because then you're looking for something else to break. So, short video. Hope this helps. If your Altima, if you've replaced the compressor and that connection is loose, you maybe get an intermittent AC. See you guys next time.